Make another unboxing video. And probably usage video on this one. Such a short item. My fingers and arms are hurting with this new desk. I used to play on my couch when I was gaming, but now I gotta get one of these. Old age. It was only $6.99 when I purchased it a couple days ago. The first. It comes with all that. I'm wondering, just for $6.99, is it any good quality? It comes in this really long box, which they probably paid more for shipping than the item cost. I'm gonna put you guys down a second so I can cut this open. Ah, it's taped good. Oh. Okay. Sorry, I don't have one of the tripods like everybody else has. Spinning the hinges back. And there you go. Looks like it's all in that. Sure, my receipt's in there somewhere. Nope. Nothing else in there. So that's it for the box. Now I got this little keyboard. And I think my mouse is even little. Yep. Oh, it comes in a Ziploc bag in case you want to reseal it and eat it later. Unzipped real easy. Now I'm looking for a good weight that doesn't move around. Says it comes with non-slip material. Does it come with? Comes with instructions. Important. Please read before use. I like the little cards, as I show in almost every one of my videos. You're special. That's the best card I've gotten so far. I think that was for a used product. Okay, put that to the side. There's the mouse pad. The mouse pad actually feels like the best thing so far. It said it was non-slip. Thinking they're getting the non-slip from using 3M tape, which is cheating. Oh, that was hard. I'm going to tell you, this is not non-slip. I see the grippiness of it. It's just not grippy enough. Maybe it grips better on straight. I'll use it on this one. Oh, geez, I gotta put this down. These aren't easy to open. I'm just gonna open both of them while you guys are down. Don't quite care for the 3M. Ooh, I got the hiccup. Great time to get them. I'm gonna open the mouse pad. That's a pretty nice mouse pad for the price. God, look how much crap it already collected. Okay, I'm putting the mouse pad to the side. It's definitely good material. Let's see if it works good. I know where my mouse went. Alright, there we are. Yep, works good. Just like any mouse pad. I don't really use a mouse pad. I don't even use this. My hand's way over here. Okay. Now, for the non-grippy, I notice it's not flat. It's kind of where the padding is at is where it's super thick. Trying it out. See if it moves. It doesn't even attempt to sit still. It's like a hockey puck. This is basically the same way. Actually grips better on this, but it kind of flares up. It's not a fit finish to the bottom. The stitching is what I was mostly worried about. The stitches do not go all the way through. And you can't even see the stitches in there, almost like it's just glued. Now, it said it was 17 inches. 17 inches of padding probably, but not the gel. A little bit over 17. I don't remember what the specs were on this, but we'll measure that. 5.5 inches. So, see the just be like memory foam. You push down, it goes back. Definitely gel. Takes a little bit of weight to do it. The mouse wouldn't weigh it down. Here, I got a can of random Alaskan cod here. So it takes more than a pound. I'd say if you're buying them for non-slip, definitely don't purchase this brand. If you're buying them for the gel part, yeah, they work fine. See, I was getting a callus right there. And I've already had it before. I don't know if you can see them stitches right there. Yeah, I've already had it before and I don't need it again. Yeah, I think this will work. He'll move wherever I want. When you are using it, it sits right there. Let's see. Oh, I go over this. Don't quite understand them. I'm just going to throw them to the side. Let's see. Tripod's the worst thing to ever have to set up. I go right back. It's good. If I had that like that. Yeah, I think they're pretty good for $6.99 as long as you don't want non-slip. I think they expect you to use tape to tape it to your desk. If so, that ain't even thick enough tape to tape to something. I would say it needs to be a little bit thicker tape. But yeah, hopefully this helps somebody out avoid a mistake or avoid paying too much. Thanks for watching.